When it comes to home improvement projects, window installation is often one of the most significant investments for homeowners. For those living in Washington, the unique climate, ranging from wet, rainy winters to warm summers, can have a big impact on both energy efficiency and home comfort. However, there are several ways to save on window installation without compromising quality. If you're a Washington homeowner looking to upgrade your windows, here are a few strategies to help you keep costs down while maximizing your investment. Choose energy-efficient windows. One of the most effective ways to save on window installation costs over the long run is by choosing energy-efficient windows. Washington homeowners, particularly those in colder regions, can benefit significantly from windows designed to improve insulation. Energy-efficient windows often feature double or triple glazing, low E-glass coatings, and insulating frames, all of which help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce heating and cooling costs. While energy-efficient windows can be more expensive up front, they can save homeowners money on utility bills over time. Additionally, federal or state incentives, including tax credits and rebates for energy-efficient home improvements, can help offset the initial cost. Consider window replacement instead of full installation. If your current windows are still in good shape but just need a bit of updating, consider opting for window replacement rather than a full installation. Window replacement involves swapping out the glass or individual components of the window, rather than replacing the entire frame. This option can be significantly cheaper than a complete window installation, especially if the existing frames are still in good condition. If you're working with a budget, it's worth asking your contractor about replacement options and whether they can use your existing window frames. By only replacing the glass and not the full unit, you can save on both materials and labor. Shop around for competitive quotes. Window installation costs can vary widely depending on the contractor you choose, so it's always a good idea to shop around and get multiple quotes. In Washington, where there is no shortage of window installation companies, obtaining a few estimates from reputable contractors will give you a clearer picture of pricing and help you find the best deal. Don't forget to factor in hidden costs like permits, disposal fees, and potential upgrades, e.g., custom sizes or special treatments. Getting a comprehensive estimate from each contractor will ensure that you're comparing apples to apples. Schedule installation during off-peak times. Like most home improvement projects, window installation tends to be more expensive during peak seasons. For contractors in Washington, the busiest time of year typically falls in the warmer months when homeowners are more likely to tackle outdoor projects. By scheduling your window installation during the off-peak season, late fall or winter, you may be able to secure a discount or special pricing. Additionally, many contractors are more willing to negotiate during slower months when business is less consistent. It's also easier to schedule your installation with minimal delays since contractors aren't as booked up. Take advantage of local incentives. Washington State offers various programs and incentives that can help homeowners save on energy-efficient home improvements, including window installation. The state often runs rebate programs or offers financing options through local utility companies to promote energy-saving upgrades. For example, Puget Sound Energy and Seattle City Light offer rebates for customers who install energy-efficient windows in their homes. These rebates can significantly offset the cost of your new windows, making it a great way to reduce the financial burden of the installation process. DIY the installation. If you're handy, if you have the necessary skills and tools, you might be able to tackle the window installation yourself. DIY window installation can save you money on labor costs, but it's not for everyone. Improperly installed windows can lead to drafts, leaks, and higher energy bills, so this option requires confidence and experience. If you're interested in going this route, consider watching tutorial videos or asking for advice from professionals. Some window retailers offer tutorials or discounted services if you purchase windows through them. However, make sure to assess the difficulty of the project carefully before committing. Look for financing options. If paying for window installation upfront is challenging, many companies in Washington offer financing options that allow you to spread the cost over time. Financing programs can give homeowners more flexibility and make a high-cost project more manageable. Some programs even offer interest-free payment plans or deferred payments for a period, making them an attractive option for those looking to save on upfront expenses. Before opting for financing, make sure to compare interest rates, fees, and repayment terms to ensure it's the right choice for your budget. Final thoughts. Window installation can be a costly investment for homeowners in Washington, but by following these tips, you can keep your costs under control while still improving the energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you choose energy-efficient windows, replace only the glass, or take advantage of rebates, there are plenty of ways to save without sacrificing quality. With careful planning and research, you can ensure that your new windows provide long-term savings and comfort for your home.